news to you. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn more about these incredible reptiles as we bring them out for closer look. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of reptiles. So guys, today I have with me a creature that's like a living relic of the age of dinosaur, the green iguana. Scientific name is iguana. They are variation of common green iguana with red body, green belly, rough skin spine covering their back. This fossil-aging creature has spiky tail, razor sharp teeth, and sizes ranging from about 2 feet to 6 feet. Their remarkable eyesight allows them to discover prey or identify danger from the great distance. Herbivores by nature, they fish na dinosaurs, vegetables, and sleepers and climbers with a lifespan up to 20 years. They embody resilience in the wild. So once again, I will Iggy, where Draven is. So guys, prepare to be amazed by one of the most captivating birds in the Ivan world. Presenting the Lucas Hornbill. Scientific name is Buceros hydrocorax. So guys, say hi to Jim. Hi Jim. Endemic to the Philippines, this bird boasts vibrant color, glossy black body, adorned with red, orange, and yellow wings. And of course, they devour fruits, insect, reptiles, and even small mammals with their oversized spirit, showcasing their survival prowess, exceptional flyers, and they travel long distances for sustenance and exhibit remarkable familial devotion, often spending their lives together. As a forest gardener, they play a vital role in saving person, actively contributing to a parent's generation. So once again, I will present here, G. With trainer Becky. So guys, today we're going to meet our skill friend, the Paul Python. Scientific name is Python regius, also called the royal python. This python species native to West and Central Africa, with lives in grassland, shrubland, and open forest. This stand was considered the smallest of the African python, growing to a maximum